behalf of the blood bank management, I would like to thank all the donors who have come today to donate blood, and also the organizers, JCI, SISET and Lions Club of Konkani for having this second camp in the current circumstances. Right now, all the blood banks are having acute shortage of blood. So it is only through these camps that we can maintain a constant supply of blood units to the bank. We provide transit pass for whoever requires. They can contact the blood bank HOSPICIO for the pass.
And we all 15 people from Konkani Railways came and gave the blood to this camp.
Prudent media had highlighted to the public to come forward and donate blood, and today that impact has been shown at our second blood donation camp which we have held today. We have crossed almost double the last time of today's blood donation camp, and people should come ahead and donate blood, which is much required because the blood banks are going dry. Yes, the youth are coming around, and especially the women are coming to donate blood, which is one of the positive part wherein a lot of promotions are being done through social media like Prudent media and many newspapers with support for this cause.
आमचो मडगांवचो रिपोर्टर सावियो डायसूय रक्तदानाक फाटी रावलो ना.
कोविड-19 हे दुयेंस येवन ब्लड बँकान ब्लडाची शॉर्टेज आहा. सो म्हाका जेन्ना न्यूज पडलो हांव इमिजिएटली वॉलंटियर डोनर, सो हांव ब्लड डोनेट करपा आयलो आनी आयज आमी ब्लड दिलो. जायत्या एका पेशंटाक जावन म्हणजे किडनी आहा तेन्ना ब्लडाची गरज आसता. सो हांव मागता हेरूय लोकांनी येवचें ब्लड बँकान, हॉस्पिसियो जावं GMC आनी ब्लड दिवचें.
कोरोना लॉकडावन आशिल्ल्यान देशभर ब्लड बँकांची हीच गत. रक्तदान करचें म्हण केंद्रीय भलायकी मंत्रालयाचो उलो. डोनरांक खंय पिक एंड ड्रॉपूय करूं येता. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.